Welcome to the Sugar Connect Working with Your Sugar Data in Google Workspace video. In this video, we'll outline how to use the Sugar Connect sidebar to create and edit records, convert leads, and complete Sugar tasks, all without having to leave Gmail. We'll start with creating and editing records. There are a few ways you can create new Sugar leads and contacts from Gmail using Sugar Connect. You can create them via a received email, when composing a message or meeting, or through the sidebar list view. Let's start with creating from a received email. If I open an email sent by a person using an email address that's not found in Sugar, the sidebar will give me the option to add the sender as either a contact or a lead. I can also enable the Quick Archive option here to archive the selected email to the new record being created at the time of record creation. I'm going to go ahead and add them as a contact. I can fill out any relevant information and then save my changes. Sugar Connect will then save that new record in Sugar. Now let's take a look at creating a new lead or contact while composing a message. In my Gmail account, I'll click on Compose to create a new message. I'll enter an email address that's not found in Sugar, and the sidebar will give me the option to add them as either a contact or a lead. I'll add them as a new lead, fill out the necessary information, and save changes. You also have the ability to create new leads or contacts via the sidebar list view. This method can also be used to create other types of Sugar records. To create a new record using the sidebar list view, I'll navigate to the module that I want to create a new record in. Once in that module, expand the action menu and click Create. In this example, I'm creating a new account. I'll fill out the fields and once complete, save changes. That record has now been created in Sugar. Now let's take a look at how to edit an existing record within the sidebar. I'll start by viewing the record I want to edit. I can do this via the search bar or by navigating to the record through the Sugar modules area. Once there, I'll click the Actions menu and select Edit Entry. I'll make any necessary changes and then save. Now let's take a look at how to convert leads using Sugar Connect. Through the sidebar, I can take a lead and convert it into a contact, account, and opportunity. When viewing a lead in the sidebar, as long as the lead is not already converted, I can select Convert Lead from the Action menu. I'll then step through the process of either selecting or creating new contact and account records, as well as an optional opportunity. I can see that both the contact and the account are required as they're outlined in red. However, the opportunity field is optional. I'm going to create a new contact. Sugar Connect automatically brings in any information that the system already has from the lead record. Once that looks good, I'll click Save Changes. I'll select an existing account record for this lead. I'll also create a new opportunity. Now that I have the contact, account, and the opportunity populated, I'm going to select Save and Convert from the Action menu. I see the green message which says I successfully converted the lead. Now, when looking at the sidebar, I'm able to see the original lead record followed by the new contact, account, and opportunity. Last, let's take a look at how to complete tasks within the sidebar. First, I'll navigate to the Tasks area. When working with task records from Sugar in the sidebar, there's an option to quickly mark tasks as complete by clicking the checkbox next to the task. When I click the checkbox, it gives me a pop-up asking if I'm sure I want to mark the task as complete. I'll click Continue. The status of that task has now been set to completed and the change has been saved to Sugar. You should now have an understanding of how to create and edit records, convert leads, and complete the Sugar tasks in Sugar Connect for Google Workspace. Thanks for watching.